Hello, I'm DelusionDispeller. Today I'm going to discuss in my video series an interesting answer to a question that somebody had asked me. Actually, several people have asked me. And that is what to expect from the narcissist in a counseling setting. So many people, you're married to narcissists, dating them, they're your friends, they're your family, they may even be your children. You want to know what can you expect from a narcissist, and specifically I'm going to be talking about my ex-husband. So this is an adult male we're talking about here, so there may be some variations obviously with females and even with children because their thinking capacity is not that of an adult male. If you see any weird stuff going by the screen, I'm not in a haunted house or anything. There's just flies jumping into my screen viewer here. So yeah, anyways, hopefully that won't happen too much while I'm talking to you. Alright, so first of all, so over the years people have been asking me, if I take my husband, my wife, whatever, to the counselor's office, what's going to happen there? How are they going to act? What can I expect? So I'm going to share from my personal experience of having my ex-husband in therapy with me. I can tell you we went through a lot of therapists. It wasn't just one. There was a Lutheran minister that worked with us for a while. There were a couple other psychotherapist type people, psychologists, whatever. This particular one was a Christian psychologist, and she was the first one that ever actually saw the narcissism in him and knew how to recognize it, which is very common with narcissists. A lot of psychology people were not fully trained in recognizing a narcissist. Many of them are duped by narcissists because they don't know what to look for. They don't know when they're being played, basically. So basically this therapist, this Christian therapist, called me incognito behind the scenes and told me, I want to validate that your husband is indeed a narcissist, because I had suspicions at the time. And not only is he a narcissist and has the personality disorder, he has other disorders as well. There goes that fly again. So anyway, she said, so if you wanted your validity, there it is. And she also told me that she would not stay with him if it was her husband. There'd be absolutely no way she would stay with somebody like that. Now, it's kind of interesting that she said that, because at the time she had a son that was a narcissist, so she really could relate to what I was going through and what I was feeling a lot in this situation. So let's go on with more discussion on this. So the first matter at hand that the therapist told me was she recognized that my ex-husband became very restless when she tried to talk to him about what he saw as our problems. He insisted that there were no problems that we had. It was me who had the problem. It was all her, meaning me. She's the one who thinks there's a problem. My wife is here so we can help her. I'm fine. There ain't nothing wrong with me. And that's what he said. He said it with this laugh in his voice, like he always has this goofy laugh, because he doesn't want to take anything seriously that needs to be taken seriously. Like, nothing wrong with me, it's all her. That kind of thing. Definitely very good at deflecting blame and not taking the responsibility for his part in things. So stay tuned. I'll talk more about that. I'm trying to keep these under 5 minutes if I can. Thanks.